It is official. The communist nations of the world have staged a coup in the USA. We now regret to inform you that our original government has been overwhelmed, and this has turned our nation into another communist power. The balance of power in the world stage has now become unbalanced, and it is recommended for you and your fellow American to rise up against these disgusting tyrannical leaders. Goodbye, citizens of America. This has been the final message from the democratic government.
Hello, American citizens. We are your new leaders. The inferior Democrats have been taken down and have been replaced with the communist ways. You will respect. The same thing is happening in Canada, the UK, and France. Do not tear away to revolt. If you even attempt it, you will die to the hands of these greater military powers. Good night, citizens. Thank you for listening to this broadcast.
I am happy to announce the beginning of the revolution. We are going to begin at midnight, and we will not stop until the CUSA is taken down and we have our freedom. If you wish to partake in the liberation of our faithful nation, then meet our soldiers at the Middle Gate Station campgrounds. Thank you for listening. I hope you assist us at midnight tonight.
To Queenslanders, if you are sick, please go and get tested. It's absolutely vital, especially now with our borders open to New South Wales, Victoria and ACT.
This emergency alert system is being transmitted by the revolutionary government. We have done it. The democratic countries of the USA, France, the UK, Canada, Australia, and more have been liberated by the efforts of the revolution. The remains of the communist armies are currently under siege in multiple places across Europe, Oceania, and South America. There is no reason to be afraid now. You are safe. Now it is time for peace and a chance to repair our broken communities.